Hey y'all, FAFSA girl here. You want to know how to estimate how much Pell Grant you're going to get before your file is processed? All you need is your EFC number. Let me show you how. Go to studentaid.gov and under the Understand Aid menu, go ahead and go to Grants under the Types of Financial Aid submenu. And under the Types of Grants section, go ahead and click on Federal Pell Grants and scroll all the way down until you get to view the tables for the 2021-2022 award year. And this is what you'll see. So you want to make sure to go to page 3. Now we're looking at the 2021-2022 school year, which is the most recent school year right now. The maximum Pell Grant for the 2021-2022 school year is $6,495. That requires an EFC of 0. Assuming, of course, that your cost of attendance is more than $6,495, because you cannot be awarded more than your cost of attendance. Now, if you just completed the 2021-2022 FAFSA and you would like to estimate how much Pell Grant you could get, go ahead and compare your expected family contribution number to these numbers here. So 0 to 0, and it keeps going up and up and up. And it even goes all the way to the other page. Now, I'll give you an example. If your EFC number is between 1,701 and 1,800, then the maximum Pell Grant that you can get for the 2021-2022 school year is $4,745. Now, please keep in mind that in order for you to be awarded the maximum Pell Grant that you're eligible for, you do have to be considered a full-time student. And that means that you're taking at least 12 credits that are required for your declared program of study. If you have any questions, please let me know and make sure that you're following me for future tips on how to apply for FAFSA and other types of financial aid.